Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Wolfman, and I'm going to be teaching you, how to draw a skid loader. Now, this is how to draw a wheeled one. So, all you're going to need is a pencil, marker, pen, whatever, and then, let's go. Now, if you can tell, you're stacked up on a bunch of Diary of a Wimpy Kid books, because I don't have an overhead stand. Alright, so first, you're going to want to draw the wheels. You can pause the video whenever you want to catch up. And then you're going to draw a line like that. And then draw the little end. Oopsies. I'm going to draw that a bit taller. And so it should look like this right now. And then you're going to want to draw a little smokestack. Draw a line right there. Draw a line right here. Oopsies, that's a horribly not even line, but we can always make it work. And then draw a line like that. Now I did teach myself how to draw this. Draw a line there. Draw the bucket or pallet forks. Oh, did I just scoot the camera? Now your guys' drawing is probably gonna be better than mine. I'm not an artist, so. And then you're gonna draw the cage. Hold on. I'll show you what it's gonna look like. Here's what it should look like. So there's the little cage. You can write whatever brand you want. So Bobcat, Cat, Deer, Case, Kubota, whichever one you want. I'm gonna do Bobcat. And then there you go. You got a fine skid steer. Make sure you do subscribe and like. If we can make it to 30 subscribers, there will be Minecraft on the channel. Alright, see you later. Hope you liked it. And subscribe!